Alright, so this is it. This is the design right there. The way. And I'm gonna put it right here. I already have my logo set right there. So as you see, I have the paper right about it. It's a little bit smaller, so I'm okay anyway. And I got this magnetic hoop right there. So we should be good. We should be good. So let's see what happens. Of her grandma here, she's sewing everything all together. These actually are the fabrics that we got in Jamaica, which was awesome and kind of fun experience, and also kind of expensive, so I'm just gonna move past that anyway. But we decided to use measurements of my mother. We used tracing paper for this, so everything you see here is all pinned up on fabric. So as she's going, she's taking everything pieces by piece, and then she's going to sew all together. So let's see how this comes out. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna come out really cool. I can't wait. It's one of our first fabrics that we're able to make a dress out of, so it's gonna be really cool how this comes out. So stay tuned for that.
Sí, do it.
De ahí le voy a poner.
Y Joshua todavía sigue allá. Figure out cómo lo va a hacer. Ni le miren la cara porque
Please.
está que ya.
Because this makes no sense. The mighty hoop is supposed to be better than a traditional hoop. This thing is shorter, so therefore I have to adjust it shorter again. I just might as well just grab the old one that has the same measurement as that. I don't understand.
Aquí ya estoy pegando los refuerzos para las bolsas.
So you just did a zipper, right? Yes, there's a pocket.
Este es el zipper, ya. Aquí.
¿Y el de atrás? Is that in the back?
Ya.
No, eso es de frente.
Este es de enfrente.
Oh, I see.
Y
Yes,
viste,
so-
mira, turn around, voltealo. ¿Viste esa puntada que está ahí? Esa es la que hace el overlock.
overlock.
Hoja de agua.
Oh.
Pero lo bueno es que ya lo vamos a arreglar.
We're
Que
gonna
no
fix
cunda
that.
el pánico.
Este está malo. Sabes que no está. ¿Qué cosa?
Ahora listo el ojo.
Okay. Ahorita, Telmita, ¿estás qué?
Estoy poniendo el refuerzo de la
De
la bolsa.
De la bolsa. But you know what, guys? Remember the time that she said la puntada was floja? ¿Cómo se dice floja?
Sí, estaba
Loose.
Loose.
You know why? Because the
ya
needle.
no estaba bien metido aquí.
Wasn't adjusted correctly.
So she did it, and now it's coming to business. Regresamos al business. You see that? She's the boss. Ella sabe lo que hace.
Aquí.
Ahora ahí, now we have to put the other one piece. Ahora tenemos que poner la otra pieza, ¿va?
Sí, pero le voy a hacer el
overlock, más así.
no el
El adorno.
sí, la sobrecostura. Pero como para que quede bien hay que abrirle las costuras.
Okay. Daron las dos pulgadas que dijimos.
Let's see.
Mira.
Wow. You can even see the line.
Mi cara no.
Oh. You can even see the line right there.
Y las bolsas,
And
ahorita
the
vamos
pockets.
ahorita le vamos a poner
What are we gonna put? For the pockets?
Dame.
Okay.
No, dame las cosas.
Wow.
Ahí.
That's gonna look inside the pocket.
Así lo tienes que estirar.
Wow.
You have to stretch. Very nice.
It's gonna look very nice on you.
Stay tuned.
We are professional.
Yeah. ¿Cuánto necesitas?
Voy a ponerle aquí para esto lo voy a hacer en la
¿Eso?
over después. Primero las voy a asegurar en la que no se me mueva. Ok, ya.
closing the packet. Está cerrando la bolsa.
Look at Grandma working. There you go, there you go. Woo!
That's it. Wow, look at that. Very nice.
Okay, I'm gonna find out.
Yeah, because you put a lot of work in there.
Yep, but if it's bad, I'm not worrying. I mean, it's already bad, so. Alright. Alright.
Can you show me? Show us. Come on.
Alright, that is the side of the logo.
The way, yeah.
The way, and then
Yeah, I like that. Yeah,
Yahweh.
that way.
So there it is. I mean, the H just needs to be lifted slightly up, and the logo maybe slightly smaller. What do you think, Mom?
No, you know what, this is good, pero lo de pusiste muy abajo, es
Put it too
muy
low?
down, yeah.
Because
They have to put, no.
Look. So you see this? I copied the same measurement of favorite
Doesn't
shirt.
yeah, but
This one.
you know what?
Look at that.
This size of the shirt is bigger than that one. That's why.
This is large. It's the same size.
No, pero esta se mira más grande que
Well, guys,
y el logo es más grande.
there it is. There, that is it.
Cha-na-na-na, he did it.
That's one. I think I have another one.
And look his face. I like that.
There's that one, and then there's that in the back. I like this because it's like pixelated. I like this design. So you
I
see,
don't like it's too much.
it's too much.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Maybe
that's what I
if
said.
it's more
Less.
small the letters.
Less.
No, small the letters se miraría mejor.
Small.
Yeah. Las de arriba make
the
bigger
top?
and then yeah, small,
Oh, like they small.
small
Okay,
bigger
okay.
and small again. You
But
know?
like maybe less. Maybe
yes.
less.
Very nice.
Mira,
I like it.
abuela, ¿cuál es mejor? Mira, frente y atrás.
Están bonitas las dos.
No, pero hay que escoger.
Esta,
¿Esta?
sí.
¿Por esto?
Sí, porque está diferente.
Y esta.
Pero esta está bonita, porque está diferente a esta.
Yeah.
Están lindas las dos.
Alright, guys. So that is my project for today. So,
You know what? Okay. Vamos a ver, termita.
you want me to hold it?
Termita.
Whoa.
Termita.
Wow.
Termita. Wow, very nice. You see that?
Wow. Look at that, guys.
Parece bien.
Wow. And there's the pockets. Good. Let
Yeah.
me see. Oh my god, these are. Wow. Can't believe that.
A ver, ahora póntelo ahí.
Now let's see, Mom. Moment of truth.
Cuidado con los alfileres ahora. Y mañana le cortamos más grande la parte esa de adelante.
De delante, ¿verdad?
So what we're gonna do tomorrow?
Esta parte de aquí.
Oh, I see. So we're gonna
Porque
take.
esta parte sí que está alta, grande.
Mm,
Sí, porque las bolsas.
so we're gonna fix it tomorrow, guys.
Miren lo que se ve por eso.
So we're getting somewhere today. So I am happy. Happy. So, guys, say good night. And tomorrow we'll be back at it again. So let's see what happens. So hopefully next time we'll be finished.